Hi everyone, welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there, I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. This is English Coffee Time, where we speak real, everyday American English slowly and clearly for beginners and intermediate learners.
We upload new conversations regularly, so you can listen while you relax, drink coffee, walk, or do daily activities.
Listening regularly is one of the best ways to improve your English. Please subscribe and turn on the bell to stay connected with us.
Thank you for being here. Let's enjoy today's coffee chat together.
Neo, Christmas is coming soon, and I feel the holiday spirit everywhere. How do you usually feel when Christmas season starts?
Honestly, I feel excited and a little stressed at the same time. Excited because of decorations and family, stressed because of shopping and crowds.
Same here. The first thing I notice is the music in stores. Suddenly, every store plays Christmas songs.
Yes, sometimes it's nice, but sometimes you hear the same song 10 times in one day.
I remember once I was in a supermarket and Jingle Bells played again and again. Even the cashier was singing quietly.
That happens a lot. Cashiers hear Christmas music all day. One cashier told me she starts dreaming about Christmas songs at night.
Poor thing. Speaking of supermarkets, Christmas shopping can be crazy.
Very crazy. People buy food, gifts, decorations, everything at the last minute.
One time, I went shopping on December 24th. Big mistake.
Oh no, what happened?
The store was full. People were nervous. One man was looking for cranberry sauce and couldn't find it. He looked like he might cry.
Cranberry sauce is very important for Christmas dinner in the U.S.
Yes. Another woman had a cart full of cookies and cakes and she dropped one box on the floor. Cookies everywhere.
Did people help her?
Yes, actually. People helped pick them up. Even in stress, Christmas brings kindness.
That's true. Christmas often shows both the best and worst sides of people.
Let's talk about Christmas decorations at home. When do you usually decorate your house?
Usually early December. Some people decorate right after Thanksgiving.
I know someone who puts up decorations in November.
Me too. Some families have a tradition, decorating the tree together while drinking hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate with marshmallows.
Exactly, and someone always breaks an ornament.
Always. One year, I broke my favorite glass ornament. I was so sad.
That happens. Many ornaments have stories.
Yes, some are from childhood, some are gifts, some are souvenirs from trips.
In my family, we have an ornament from every year. When we decorate, we remember old times.
That's beautiful. What about real trees versus fake trees?
That's a big debate. Real trees smell nice, but fake trees are easier.
I like real trees, but cleaning the needles is annoying.
True. One year, our cat climbed the Christmas tree and it fell down.
Oh no!
The tree survived, but the cat never climbed it again.
Animals and Christmas decorations don't always mix well.
Especially cats.
Let's talk about Christmas food. Food is a big part of Christmas everywhere.
In the U.S., Christmas dinner is similar to Thanksgiving, but usually smaller.
Turkey, ham, mashed potatoes, stuffing.
And desserts. So many desserts.
Cookies, pies, cakes.
I once ate 3 different desserts in one evening.
No regret, right?
No regret at all.
What about Christmas breakfast?
Some families have cinnamon rolls or pancakes.
My family has coffee first. Always coffee first.
Very important.
Let's talk about gift giving. Do you like giving gifts or receiving gifts more?
Giving gifts. I like watching people open them.
Me too, especially when they really like the gift.
Sometimes gifts don't go well, though.
Oh yes, I once gave my uncle socks and he laughed for 5 minutes.
Socks are a classic gift.
But comfortable socks.
That's true.
One Christmas, I received a gift I already bought for myself.
That happens when people don't communicate.
Exactly.
In some cultures, people open gifts on Christmas Eve. In others, Christmas morning.
In the US, kids wake up very early on Christmas morning.
Parents are very tired.
Very tired.
Kids run to the tree and start opening gifts immediately.
Wrapping paper everywhere.
And parents try to drink coffee while smiling.
Let's talk about Santa Claus.
Santa is a big part of Christmas for children.
Red suit, white beard, big laugh.
Ho, ho, ho!
Kids write letters to Santa.
Yes, some parents even write back pretending to be Santa.
That's so sweet.
One year, a kid asked Santa for a dinosaur.
A real dinosaur?
Yes, Santa had a problem that year.
That's adorable.
Christmas movies are also very popular.
Home Alone is a classic.
Elf, too.
Watching Christmas movies together is a tradition in many families.
With blankets and snacks.
Let's talk about Christmas in different countries more deeply.
Good idea. Let's start with Germany again.
Christmas markets are very popular there.
People stand outside in cold weather, drinking hot mulled wine,
Wearing scarves and gloves.
eating sausages and gingerbread.
I visited one once. The lights were beautiful.
The atmosphere is magical.
In France, Christmas is more about food and family.
Long dinners, many courses,
People sit at the table for hours.
talking, laughing, eating slowly.
In Italy, Christmas Eve dinner often has fish instead of meat.
Yes, the Feast of the Seven Fishes in some families.
That's interesting.
In Spain, Christmas celebrations continue until January 6th.
Three Kings Day.
Kids receive gifts then, too.
So Christmas is longer there.
In Scandinavia, Christmas is very cozy
Candles, warm lights, simple decorations.
because winters are long and dark.
In Japan, Christmas is very different.
Romantic, not religious.
Couples go out to dinner.
And eat fried chicken.
Still very surprising.
In Australia, Christmas is in summer.
Barbecues, beaches, sunshine.
Very different from snowy Christmas movies.
In some countries, Christmas is about helping others.
Volunteering, donating food or toys.
That's one of the best parts.
Christmas reminds people to be kind.
Even strangers smile more.
Yes,
Let's talk about Christmas stress.
good topic.
Shopping stress, money stress, family stress.
Family gatherings can be difficult.
Different opinions, old arguments.
True, but many people try to focus on peace.
Taking deep breaths helps.
And remembering it's only one day.
Let's share another memory.
Okay, one year it snowed a lot on Christmas Eve.
What happened?
Our power went out. No lights, no TV.
That sounds scary.
But we lit candles, talked, and laughed. It became one of my favorite Christmas memories.
That's beautiful. Sometimes simple moments are the best.
Exactly.
Christmas is different for everyone, but the feeling is similar.
Warmth, hope, connection.
Before we finish, let's ask our listeners something.
Good idea.
Everyone listening, how is Christmas celebrated in your country?
What food do you eat?
Do you have special traditions?
Write your answer in English, even if it's simple.
We read your comments and love learning about your cultures.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell.
Thank you for spending your coffee time with us.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and enjoy the holiday season.
Bye for now. See you next time.